In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform with Shopify. This process is quick and straightforward, and it only takes a few minutes to complete. So let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to the Typeform website. Open up your web browser and navigate to www.typeform.com. Once you're there, take a glance at the top right corner of the homepage where you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you will need to enter your credentials. If you've set up your account to log in through Google, Microsoft, or any other authentication service, you can use those. Otherwise, just enter your email address and password. After you've input your details, hit the login button and you'll be taken to your Typeform dashboard. Once logged in, you'll want to go to the Typeform workspaces. Here you'll see all your forms neatly organized. Find the form you wish to link with Shopify, and beside its name there are three little dots. Clicking on these dots will give you further options, one of which is Connect. Select Connect and we'll proceed to integrate with Shopify. Now a new window will appear showcasing a variety of integration options. In the search bar at the top, simply type in Shopify. The screen will update to present you with the Shopify integration option. You'll see a button on the right hand side that says Connect. Click that and you're on your way to linking Typeform with Shopify. After clicking Connect, a pop-up window will show up. This window will request your Zapier account details. Zapier is a popular tool for connecting different apps together easily. Input the necessary information here and click Authorize to allow the integration process to continue. Once you've authorized the connection, you'll be prompted to set up triggers. These triggers are essentially rules that determine how and when the data flows between Typeform and Shopify. Think about what actions you want to trigger with this integration, whether it's sending form response data to Shopify or initiating a process on Shopify based on a Typeform action. Configure these according to your specific needs. After you have defined and set up your triggers, it's time to finalize the process by clicking on Publish. This step ensures that everything is live and ready to work between Typeform and Shopify. With that, you've successfully integrated Typeform with Shopify. This integration will help streamline processes and enhance your workflow by leveraging the strengths of both platforms. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now feeling confident in managing your Typeform and Shopify integration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.